The hidden psychology keeping you poor and how to fix it. Have you ever wondered why some people earn a lot but are always broke, while others with average income seem to build wealth over time? The difference isn't just money, it's psychology. How you think about money shapes how you use it, save it, and grow it. Welcome to Sharp Mindset, your guide to wealth strategies, smarter money habits, and financial freedom. Today we're breaking down the psychology of money, why people overspend, why saving feels so hard, and how you can rewire your brain to finally take control of your financial future. Here's the truth. Most overspending has nothing to do with income. It's about emotion. We swipe the card to feel good, chase the newest gadget to feel successful, or order food delivery to escape stress. That quick dopamine hit tricks your brain into believing you're richer than you actually are. But here's the catch. Those small, repeated choices quietly eat away at your wealth potential. Psychologists call it present bias. Your brain naturally values instant rewards more than long-term gains. That's why buying new shoes feels exciting, while saving for retirement feels boring. But wealthy people flip this script. They train their brain to see saving, investing, and asset building as the real reward. Every dollar saved isn't lost, it's planted. And over time, those seeds grow into financial freedom. Let me share 3 simple money psychology hacks. 1. Automate your savings. Don't rely on willpower. Set up an automatic transfer into your savings or investment account every payday. If the money never touches your spending account, your brain won't miss it. 2. Reframe spending. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this today?" ask, "Is this worth sacrificing my future wealth for?" That one shift in mindset can stop countless impulse purchases. 3. Gamify your finances. Turn saving into a challenge. For example, match every dollar you spend on fun with a dollar saved for investments. Suddenly, saving feels like winning, not losing. Here's the bigger picture. Wealth isn't built by earning alone. It's built by controlling your psychology. If you master your mind, you master your money. Instead of being a slave to spending urges, you use money intentionally to build assets, grow your net worth, and create financial independence. Think about it. The difference between broke and wealthy often isn't the size of your paycheck. It's the size of your discipline. So if you've been stuck in the cycle of overspending and regret, remember this. Money doesn't control you. Your habits do. Start small, automate one saving habit today, reframe one spending choice, challenge yourself to think long-term. Because once you shift your money psychology, you'll unlock not just more savings, but the mindset that creates lasting wealth. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit like, subscribe to Sharp Mindset, and share it with someone who needs a fresh start with money.